I got a little bit of leak that I replaced the fitting. That one seems like it's working. That one right there is a little bit leaky, so let's see something. I got a little bit of a drip, but you know what? What the hell? Let's see what we can do here. I don't want permanent. Let's see, quick wash. Let's see. So we brought on that. Okay, so it's doing. Okay. Nothing. Bring it on there again. Ah, dang, I can't see in there. Here's something. Lock the door. You hear it? Pulling water. That's good. I'm running everything off of this right now. There's a drain. It goes into my shower. I guess it's doing its normal thing. Can't see anything.